dictatorial regime. Stop. Supporting the dictatorial regime. Norway. Stop. Supporting the killer regime in Ethiopia. Norway. Stop. Supporting the killer regime in Ethiopia. Your money kills our people. Stop. Supporting the dictatorial regime in Ethiopia. Our political prisoners need justice. Ethiopian regime must release 20,000 Oromo political prisoners. Oromo political prisoners are no criminal. Bakkala Garba. Need freedom. We need justice. The Ethiopian regime must stop our land grabbing. Land grabbing in Oromia. We need freedom. We need justice. We want live in our country. We need justice in our land. We need freedom in our land. European Union, USA, Norway must stop supporting the dictatorial regime. Your money kills our people. Stop.